You're looking at the drawings for a small wine closet. Where this closet is approximately 4.5 feet deep, approximately 4 feet wide, and stands approximately 9.25 feet high. We have two elevations of racking, elevation A on the left wall and elevation B on the back wall. The right wall is a tongue and groove paneling that matches the wine racking. Elevation A begins at the bottom with a solid diamond bin with face trim. We have a row of individual 750 bottle racking and a high reveal display row. The display bottles are angled in the display row at a 15-degree angle. Individual 750 bottle racking is above. We have a solid top on the racks. The racks are 13.5 inches deep. There is a 1.5 inch toe kick and base molding at the bottom and a 2.25 inch crown molding at the top. Elevation B is the back wall. We start with a support rack that supports the tabletop in the corner and where elevation A meets it. We then have a row of solid case storage, and this is double deep. You can see by the side view that this is 27 inches deep. You can fit 2 cases back to back, so this will store a total of 6 cases of wine. To the right we have a magnum row, which is also double deep, so that will hold a total of 16 magnum bottles. We then have a reclaimed wine barrel tabletop coming out. We have a high reveal display row and individual bottles above. Here is the overhead view of the wine room showing the wine barrel tabletop. Here you see above the racking a grill cover and box that hides the CC2600 cooling unit that is a split system that we installed. We have solid tops on the rack so that if you wanted to stack something over on the end rack, you could. The split system evaporator coil sits inside this box. It is connected via copper lines to the condenser that sits outside the house on the other side of this wall. You're looking at the left wall and the back wall, and you can see the grill cover and box above. The back wall and the right wall with the tongue and groove paneling to the right. Here you see a Tuscan wine cellar door that we also provided. This has a wrought iron, hand-forged wrought iron grill over a dual pane glass. This was done in knotty alder. It is 24 inches by 96 inches high. We also have pictures of the cellar once it was completed. Here you see the door, the wrought iron grapevine design was done in an oil rub bronze. Let's see, we'll go to the inside here. You can see the paneling and the racking. Now the racking we did in mahogany with early American stain. You can see the reclaimed wine barrel tabletop. To the left is the grill cover and box up above. You can see the crown molding above the racking. And here again is the back view with the reclaimed wine barrel tabletop. And the diamond bins on the left side. You can see a little bit of the case storage over here on the right. Hope you enjoyed viewing the Howell wine closet, designed and materials provided by wine cellar specialists.